Hi everyone, so here's a little video on how to submit your homework on Gradescope. So first you will go to the Google Chrome or whatever web browser you use and then log in on gradescope.com. So once you are logged in, this is what you will see, the student courses. Here's the semester we're looking for, and the previous semester will show up as well. All right, so we'll click on the course that we want to submit the homework for. And in here, you will see the ones that you submitted, all the homeworks that you have submitted, and the ones that you have not submitted will be in yellow here with the timeline still running down. So it's telling you that it's due at 9 a.m. tomorrow and you have 20 hours left to submit. And also the ones that are graded will also be in here. All right, so say now I finished my geometry homework. I'm going to go in and submit my geometry homework. I have two choices. I can either submit PDF or using pictures. So I'll use PDF here. I'll select PDF. This is the PDF file that I'm going to use. So for simplicity purposes, I would probably label the PDF before I click on it so it's easier to find. This is a very important step, and that is to match up the questions with the pages of the PDF. As you can see here, that we have 4 questions, 4 regular questions, and 1 bonus question, so 5 total. And there are only 2 pages on the PDF. I only did question 1, question 3, and question 4. And if you're writing really small and you can't tell, there's a little toggle over here that you can zoom in and make it bigger so you can tell which part is which problem. All right, so we have to assign problems. So I'll click on problem 1 and it will turn green, and I'll tell it it's page 1 or this page. Problem 2 doesn't have one because if you can read it, it says I don't know how to do this problem. I did problem 3 on this page. I did problem 4 on this page, and I didn't do the bonus either. So if you look at it, you will see that page 1 assigned to problem 1, page 1 right here also assigned to problem 3, page 2 is assigned to problem 4, and nothing else. And then we click submit. And it will ask you, are you sure that you didn't assign anything to problem 1.2 and problem 2.1, which is the bonus? And I say yes. Okay, now here's another important step is to make sure everything, your full solution is legible on the page. This is what the grader will see. So if you can't read your writing, you can also zoom in using this button over here. But I can tell that my solution got cut off a little bit over here. So this is no good. So I'm going to go to resubmit and submit a better PDF or better images. So for our interest, I'm going to switch to submitting photos now if you choose to submit photos instead of PDFs. The way the Gradescope platform works is that if you choose to submit photos, you have to have at least 1 photo for every single problem. So for problem 1 right here, that is the page that we're going to use. That's problem 1. For problem 3, that's also the same picture. And you can use any kind of file type, JPEG, PNG, usually anything that your phone does or any standard cameras, any file type should work. That's problem 4. And I already named all of the pictures by the problem number, so that makes it easier. And I would recommend you to do the same. Now, so we'll see that problem 1, 3, and 4 are selected with pictures. Problem 2 and the bonus doesn't. Now what happens is if you say submit, it's going to give you an error because it wants you to give at least 1 picture. So what I would recommend is just have a standard blank page. Just 1 piece of paper that says blank or no solution. And then you use it for every single problem that you don't have a solution for. There you go. So that at least you have 1 picture each, and then you can say submit. Once your upload is complete, then I will do the same thing. Click on each problem. Here's problem 1, and make sure your full solution is legible on the page. That's everything. That's clear. That's good. If your writing is small and you can't see, again, there's a zoom button. And you can move around to make sure that everything is there. Problem 2 is the blank page, and problem 3 is this full solution here. Problem 4 is full. Problem bonus is blank. That's good. Everything is good to go. Then you don't have to click anything else anymore here. Just go back to home, and then you can submit, say, the next homework. So now it says I submitted my geometry homework. So you can go back and submit your algebra homework.